Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating intersections of ancient texts and modern science. Today, we dive into Leviticus 17, verse 11, a verse that intriguingly aligns with contemporary scientific understanding. The Book of Leviticus was written between 1440 and 1400 BC. Tradition says that Moses wrote the book around 1300 BC. Leviticus 17, verse 11, "For the life of the flesh is in the blood, and I have given it to you on the altar to make atonement for your souls, for it is the blood that makes atonement by the life." This ancient verse emphasizes the significance of blood in sustaining life, and its role in atonement. But what does 21st century science tell us about blood and its vital functions? Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body and return carbon dioxide for exhalation. White blood cells defend the body against infections and foreign invaders. Platelets help with blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding from injuries. Plasma, the liquid portion that carries hormones, nutrients, and waste products. Blood transfusions save countless lives each year. In trauma care, surgeries, and treatments for diseases like anemia and cancer, the ability to transfuse blood is a cornerstone of modern medicine. This directly reflects the life-giving properties of blood mentioned in Leviticus 17, verse 11. Leviticus 17 verse 11 also speaks of blood making atonement for the soul. While the ancient context involves sacrificial rituals, this concept can be viewed through a modern lens. Blood donation, for example, is a profound act of giving that can save lives, symbolically echoing the idea of atonement and life restoration. So, what does this all mean? Leviticus 17, verse 11, written thousands of years ago, reflects a profound understanding of the vital role of blood in sustaining life. Modern science not only corroborates this ancient wisdom, but expands our knowledge of how blood functions and how we can harness its life-giving properties to save lives. This comparison highlights the timeless nature of certain truths. Whether viewed through the lens of ancient biblical texts or modern science, the significance of blood as a life-sustaining force remains undeniable. If you find these explorations into the connections between ancient wisdom and modern science fascinating, please like, share, and subscribe. Join us on this journey as we continue to uncover the mysteries of our world and beyond. Until next time, keep looking up and questioning the wonders that surround us.